Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new viewers. My name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining us. Today's recipe is oven baked chicken with veggies and potatoes. So stay tuned guys, it's time to cook. So guys, starting with, I am going to make my marinade for my chicken by adding in blended Scotch bonnet pepper, chicken spices. You can go for any chicken spices of your choice, and then a sweet paprika powder, salt to taste, and olive oil. In place of the Scotch bonnet pepper, you can as well go for cayenne pepper or chili flaked. All the ingredients for this recipe will be found in the description box. I added more olive oil, give it a mix, and this is how the texture looks like. I am then going to generously marinate every part of my already cleaned chicken, leaving a portion of this marinade behind for later use. I make sure my pan is well greased with oil and then add small amount of plain water to make it stay unburnt, and then bring it to the oven to grill for about 25 minutes first before adding your vegetables on an 180 degrees C. This is my veggies and potato for today. It's all been prepped. 25 minutes later, this is how my half-grilled chicken looks like. I'm then going to bring it out to be able to add other veggies. Today I am going for paprika, zucchini, onions, and carrots. You can go for any veggies of your choice, but please do not skip the zucchini because this will give us the juice to grill all these together, and because we are not adding any liquid, zucchini is going to do all that for us. I seasoned with some salt, some black pepper, paprika powder. I added a rosemary, the taste of rosemary here, it's amazing, like it's so good. And then I added my potato, and then olive oil, season all these together, and then drop them round around your half-grilled chicken. I will not forget to add in my sliced lemon, and then bring back to the oven to continue to grill for about 35 minutes on same 180 degrees C. This chicken is going to be a sweet and spicy one. So in my set aside marinade bowl, I am going to add in some lemon juice and honey. 35 minutes later, this is what my chicken looks like. So I'm then going to bring it out, and then use my lemon honey marinade to brush my chicken off, and then bring it back to the oven again for just 5 minutes to continue to grill. 5 minutes later, this is the finished look of our grilled chicken with veggies and potato. All together we've got 6 to 5 minutes to grill all this. Thank you so much to my return subscribers. I just added some parsley and I am ready to serve. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that red button down below and the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video, so please don't forget to leave your like this video and leave your comment down below. Bye for now, guys. See you in my next one.